Welcome to Forex Without Noise. This morning we'll be talking about what is Forex trading. Forex Trading Explained. I'll take our time to give you 7 powerful secrets beginners often miss in trading. If you are a beginner, do well to watch this video to the end, because everything I'm going to say here will change your trajectory if you really want to grow in the world of trading. Every now and then I hear traders, most especially beginner traders, say that Forex trading is scam. Forex trading is scam. Believe you me, Forex trading is not scam. The reason why you are losing money is not really because the system has been designed to make you fail, or simply because your strategy is not well optimized. There are so many things that are contributing to this factor that is making you to fail. Okay, my goal today is to change your mindset and refocus your direction when it comes to the game of trading. Okay, so if you are ready, let's dive into it. One of the reasons why you feel that Forex is not for you is, one, Forex is not prediction. Most of you think that Forex is all about prediction. Okay, Forex is not about prediction. This is not a football match where you start predicting if Chelsea is going to win or if Manchester is going to win. No, you don't do that here. Okay, it is not a game of football where you do prediction. So many of you think that it is a prediction, but believe you me, it is not prediction. Okay, Forex trading is not prediction. Okay, price moves because of liquidity, institutions and order flow, not indicators alone. Okay, once you stop trying to guess the market and start responding to structures, your consistency is going to improve. Okay, another thing here is most rely on indicators. Most newbie rely on indicators, and indicators actually lags. Okay, some indicators like RSI, MACD, moving average, of course they are not bad, they are good. Okay, these indicators that I mentioned now are good, but you can't use them alone because they lag. Okay, they are mostly used for confirmation. It is not a basis for you to execute trade. Okay, so over relying on indicator is another issue here. Okay, do not over rely on indicator or litter your chart with indicators here and there. Okay, smart traders uses indicator as a filter, not decision makers. Okay, so get this clear and it's going to help you. Another thing we're going to look into here is risk management. Okay, believe you me, risk management matters more than your strategy. I do tell people that no matter how good you think your strategy is, if you do not understand the risk management aspect of trading, believe you me, you're going to lose money. So losing strategy with strong risk management can also help you to scale. Okay, despite that the strategy is losing and at the same time you have good risk management, believe you me, you are going to outperform. Okay, but if you have a good strategy, and you have poor risk management, believe you me, you are not going anywhere. Most beginners focus on win rates, but professionals focuses on risk to reward. Okay, I do tell beginners that focus more on risk to reward. It's not all about strategy. Though it's unfortunate that I see beginners traders running from one strategy to another. They buy strategy from this mentor, maybe probably because he's showcasing an expensive lifestyle on social media. He bought his strategy. Tomorrow he sees another person, he buys another strategy. He keeps jumping from one strategy, knowing too well that the problem is not the strategy. The key problem here is how much of risk to reward ratio does he or she understand? How much of risk to reward ratio? So by the time you understand this, believe you me, one good trade with proper risk management can recover several small losses. Okay, and I do tell beginners, do not trade without measuring your risk to reward. And if there's anything you should master after watching this video, is do not place any trade without first of all drawing the risk to reward ratio. Okay, and the minimum risk to reward ratio you should use is 1:2. Okay, that means if you are using 20 pips as your stop loss, use 40 pips as your TP. Okay, but so many of you do make mistake where you are using 40 pips as your stop loss and you are using 20 pips or 10 pips as your TP. No, don't do that. It might look as if you are winning, okay, but believe you me, one single loss is going to wipe off all you have earned. Though I do see some traders as well, despite that they have set their risk to reward ratio, they will not allow the trade to run. Maybe probably because they have made $2 to $3, they will rush and go and close the trade. No, do not do that. Allow the trade to run on its own. Allow the market to play out on its own. Please, it's going to help you to scale up your trading. Another thing here is that the market is designed to trap emotion. Okay, the market is actually designed to trap emotion. If you do not have good control of your emotion, believe you me, you definitely not going to make money from this trading. Okay, fear and greed are engineered into the movement. Okay, fear and greed are engineered into the forex price movement. Liquidity grab, fake breakout, and stop hunt exist to remove emotional traders. So this is how the market is designed, and if you not understand how this thing works, it's definitely going to affect you. If you trade emotionally, you become the liquidity. If you trade with rules, you trade with institution. So the best way to trade is to trade with institution. Okay, do not become the liquidity. Okay, do not become the liquidity. 5, time in the market beats over trading. Okay, time in the market beats over trading. Beginners believe more trade equal to more money, but that's not it. In reality, over trading is one of the fastest way to blow your account, believe you me. Professional traders wait patiently for high probability setups and ignore everything else. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. I repeat, sometimes the best trade is no trade. I repeat again, sometimes the best trade is no trade. It's better not to take a trade than taking a trade and losing the trade. Okay, that's what that statement means. Now look at it. So many of you overtrade, even when there is no reason for you to trigger trade, because you just want to trade. Maybe you have waited 1, 2, or 3 hours, no setup, you quickly place a trade, okay, hoping that you're going to make money. Unfortunately, that trade will destroy your account. Please do not do that. If you do not see good setup for yourself, please do not take any trade. Okay, another thing you have to look into, which is 6, is automation. Okay, so many of you are just playing. This is 2026 and you cannot ignore automation. Automation has come to play. I mean, automation has come to stay. Automation has come to stay. Okay, take advantage of all the automated system out there. Not all, please. Take advantage of the good automated system out there, which VTM automated system is one. Okay, I recommend VTM automated system. There is one for gold known as VTM Elite, and there's also one for boom and crash. For those of you who are interested in boom and crash, known as VTM Prime, I recommend that for you, most especially if you want to leverage on automation. Those are the 2 best systems I have seen out there. Take advantage of them. Okay, One thing that automation is going to help you achieve over manual trading is that automated system is going to remove emotions from you and enforces discipline and execute trade instantly. Okay, this is why smart traders now combine manual trading analysis with automated execution to stay consistent. Okay, take advantage of automation. Like I said, if you want to know more about VTM Elite and VTM Prime, check the link in the description section, and of course, maybe visit the website and order for yourself if your goal is actually to scale with automation. 7, Forex is skill, not a shortcut. It's a skill, not a shortcut. Okay, do not just buy one Forex course today and expect to become a millionaire tomorrow. No, Forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, forget how it has been painted online. It has been painted online to look like a get rich quick scheme. Believe you me, it's a skill that you must learn. It's a skill. Treat it that it's a skill that I must learn. Okay, if it's taking you 4 years to graduate from university and 6 years, as the case may be, to graduate from the primary school or the secondary school, as the case may be, why do you think that it's going to take you 1 week or few days to graduate from the... In fact, there's no graduation here, because as a trader, you keep learning every day. Okay, you keep learning every day. It is a skill that rewards patience. Okay, not for those who just want to come in today and blow tomorrow. No, if you want to come in today and become a billionaire tomorrow, you are going to blow your account. There's nothing we can do here. Okay, there is nothing we can do here. It's a game for people who are disciplined. Okay, if you are not disciplined, please have a rethink, and this is why this video is for you. Okay, take out time to watch this video over and over again and ask yourself, where am I missing it? Okay, so those who treat Forex like a business survive. Those who treat it like a gambling eventually disappear. Okay, so if you want to stay here for long, or if you want to stay here for a lifetime, because it's a skill that when you master it, you can do it for a lifetime. Okay, if you want to stay here for a lifetime, do it the right way. But if you want to stay here for a short time and blow your account and eventually quit, then do it the wrong way. Okay, so in all, if you want to trade Forex with structure, discipline, and automation, then you are already thinking like a professional. Okay, if you want to trade it with discipline, if you want to trade it with structure, if you want to trade it with a profession, automation, you are already thinking like a professional. Like this video, subscribe, and of course, share with your friends. Turn the notification button, because we do release video like this every now and then. And of course, as the name implies, as the name of the channel implies, Forex without noise. We are not here to make noise. We are here to teach you what will help you to grow as a beginner if you follow instruction. We are not here to hype, show screenshot. In fact, believe you me, in this channel, you're not going to see me show any trading screenshot. Okay, just to lure you for whatever reason. The essence of this video is not for you to come to my Forex Academy and whatever. Of course, I don't teach people how to trade Forex for money. Okay, the essence of this video is to educate you. The essence of this video is to redirect your path. Like and share this video. See you in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye for now.